Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with the E20 error code on your 2025 Bosch washing machine, you're in the right place. This frustrating issue can halt your laundry routine, but don't worry. I'm here to break it down step by step so you can get things running smoothly again. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is the E20 error code? In Bosch washing machines, E20 typically signals a problem with the drainage system. It means the machine isn't draining water properly, which could lead to a buildup of water in the drum. This error is common in models from 2025 and is often caused by simple issues like a clogged drain filter, a kinked drain hose, or even a blockage in the pump. But the good news is, you might be able to fix it yourself without calling a technician. To troubleshoot, start by unplugging your washing machine from the power source for safety. Next, locate the drain filter. It's usually at the bottom front of the machine behind a small panel. Carefully remove it and clean out any lint, coins, or debris that's accumulated. While you're at it, check the drain hose for any bends or clogs. Straighten it out if needed, and make sure it's securely connected. Once everything's clear, plug the machine back in and run a test cycle. If the error persists, it could be a faulty pump or a more serious electrical issue, so it's time to contact a professional. Prevention is key to avoiding the E20 error in the future. Make it a habit to clean the filter every few months and ensure that your drain hose is properly installed and free from obstructions. Regular maintenance not only prevents errors but also extends the life of your appliance. There you have it, your guide to fixing the E20 error on your Bosch washing machine. I hope this saves you time and hassle. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.